Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, in today's video, I'm sharing with you Summer and Fall Tablescape collab hosted by Cynthia, She's So Blessed, co-hosted by Diva Decorating, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Mistress Alberta, and Tammy, Me, Myself, and DIYing. The rules for this collab was to create a tablescape, either summer or fall, and to include one or more pumpkins. For my tablescape, I decided to do a Kate Spade black and white stripe inspired design. I paired it with burlap, burnt orange, and added a touch of gold. The centerpiece is a double ring that sits inside of a bowl. However, I wanted the centerpiece to have some height, so I turned the bowl upside down, attached the ring, then attached the floor foam to create the arrangement. And most of the items in the arrangement are from Walmart. The burlap table runner is from CV Linen, and I DIY'd the black and white stripe runner. For my tableware, I added gold placemats on 4 of the settings, burlap charger plates, those are from Hobby Lobby, the burnt orange dinner plates from Dollar Tree, black and white bowl from Hobby Lobby as well. And I also included the black and white satin napkins, and I ordered those from Amazon. The gold candle holder are from Ross, and the 2 small pumpkins, the burnt orange and green, and I also included a white The name holders are from Dollar General. They're wrapped up in burlap. I changed the flowers to orange so it can coordinate with the rest of the table. The smoky glassware is from the Dollar Tree, and the black stem wine cups are from a flea market sale. The coffee mugs are a matched set to the dinner plates. And the flatwares are from Walmart. The black and white striped pillows are actually pillowcases I ordered from Amazon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Stay blessed.